Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we are going to learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers. And I am your maths teacher Priyanka Bisht. Children, as we have already learned the concept subtraction, so let us revise what is subtraction. Children, subtraction means to take away from a group of things. Subtraction means to take away from a group of things. Now children, let us learn how to subtract 3-digit numbers. Children, to subtract 3-digit numbers, first we will subtract the ones. Then we will subtract the tens. After that we will subtract the hundreds. Now children, let us understand this with an example. Look at the example children. Here you have to subtract 632 from 875. Children, both are 3-digit numbers. So here you will write 875 minus 632. Children, we start subtracting the ones. So first we will subtract the ones. So look at the ones place children. Here you have to subtract 2 from 5. So children, 5 minus 2 is 3. So write 3 under ones column. Now children, we will subtract the tens. So here 7 minus 3 is 4. So children, write 4 under tens column. Now look at the hundreds children. Now we will subtract the hundreds. So here you will subtract 6 from 8. So children, 8 minus 6 is 2. So children, now write 2 under the hundreds column. So children, when you subtract 632 from 875, you will get answer as 243. Now children, let's do some questions given on page number 43 of your maths book. Children, look at the first part. Here you have to subtract 91 from 692. So children, first we will subtract the ones. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Write 1 under the ones column. Now we will subtract tens. So at tens place you have to subtract 9 minus 9. Children, 9 minus 9 is 0. So write 0 under tens column. Now under the hundreds column children, only 6 is there. So write 6 in the answer. So your answer will be 601. Look at the next part children. B. 354 minus 23. So first we will subtract the ones. 4 minus 3 is 1. Write 1 under the ones column. Now children, at tens column you have to subtract 2 from 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Write 3 under the tens column. Now at hundreds column only 3 is there. So write 3. Now children, your answer will be 331. Children, now look at the next part. See, Here the question is 589 minus 54. So first we will subtract the ones. 9 minus 4 is 5. So write 5 under the ones column. Now children, look at the tens. Here 8 minus 5 is 3. So write 3 under the tens column. Now at hundreds column only 5 is there. So write 5 in the answer too. So your answer will be 535. Now children, next part. Here you have to subtract 126 from 258. Children, so first we subtract the ones. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Write 2 under the ones column. Now children, under the tens column you will subtract 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So write 3 under the tens column. Now at hundreds column 2 minus 1 is 1. So write 1 under the hundreds column. So when you subtract 126 from 258, you will get answer as 132. Now children, look at the next part, E. Here the question is 496 minus 205. Children, so first we will subtract the ones. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Write 1 under the ones column. Now under the tens column 9 minus 0 is 9. So write 9 under the tens column. Now children, at hundreds column 4 minus 2 is 2. So write 2 under the hundreds column. So children, your answer will be 291. Now next part, F. Here you have to subtract 212 from 424. So we start subtracting the ones. 4 minus 2 is 2. Write 2 under the ones column. Now at tens column 2 minus 1 is 1. So write 1 under the tens column. Now children, at hundreds column 4 minus 2 is 2. So write 2 under the hundreds column. So your answer will be 212. Now children, look at the next part, G part. Here you have to subtract 320 from 478. Children, we start subtracting the ones. So under the ones column 8 minus 0 is 8. So write 8 under the ones column. Now at tens column 7 minus 2 is 5. So write 5 under the tens column. Now at hundreds column 4 minus 3 is 1. So write 1 under the hundreds column. So children, when you subtract 320 from 478, your answer will be 158. Now next part children, H part. 835 minus 525. First we will subtract the ones. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Write 0 under the ones column. Now at tens column 3 minus 2 is 1. So write 1 under the tens column. Now at hundreds column 8 minus 5 is 3. So write 3 under the hundreds column. So children, your answer will be 310. Now let's do the next part, I. 684 minus 583. So first we will subtract the ones. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So write 1 under the ones column. Now children, at tens column 8 minus 8 is 0. So write 0 under the tens column. Now at hundreds column 6 minus 5 is 1. So write 1 under the hundreds column. So your answer will be 101. Now children, last part, J part. Here you have to subtract 561 from 592. Children, we will start subtracting the ones. So under the ones column, 2 minus 1 is 1. Write 1 under the ones column. Now look at the tens. Here you have to subtract 6 from 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So write 3 under the tens column. Now children, at hundreds column 5 minus 5 is 0. So write 0 at hundreds column. So your answer will be 31. Now children, your homework is you will do question number 2 given on page number 43 of your maths book. Thank you.